Hi everyone, Gunpla here. For today we're gonna do another unboxing and we're gonna do something different today. So we're gonna do a SD cross silhouette. For this unboxing we're gonna unbox the SD Gundam ground type. And look at this cover box. The cover box shows the artwork for the SD Gundam ground type and it looks so cute. Looking at this cover box, at the left side you can see the SD frame, and then on the right side you could see a silhouette of the CS frame, which is the cross silhouette frame. Looking at the side, you could see the backpack of the ground type with the weapons in there, and then the actions of the gun type with the weapons. So it has the beam rifle, the 180mm cannon, the shield, and it shows the difference between the SD frame and the CS frame. So for the SD frame you get the standard basic articulation for the SD frame, and then when you use the CS frame you gain a little more articulation, and then with those articulation you could actually do the posing with the 180mm cannon for this model kit. Then looking at the side, it's actually the same cover art. And then the other side, you can see a showcase of the color. It actually says that it looks colorful. It looks colorful just by putting it together. And then this one is just an image of the front view and the rear view of the SD Gundam. In this image, it actually explains, in this kit, it includes some marker or stickers. You could customize what number you put on the model kit. And then on this side, it's the traditional warnings. And then let's see how many bags do we have inside. So we have first bag, you have the second bag with the stickers in there, then you have the last bag or the third bag with the stickers mark in there, and then you have the assembly instruction and warnings, and then the building instruction or the manual. So that's your manual. Let's look at the manual. So the manual shows the ground type here, and then actually shows the description or the specs of the ground type. It's actually written in Japanese and it has translation in it. Then at the bottom it shows a different model kit and shows the other lineup or other kit for this lineup. And then looking at the inside of the manual, you can see these are the runners, and then you have the building instruction. So for this building instruction you have the instruction for the SD and then instruction for the CS frame. So there are some model kit that includes the CS frame, but for this model kit, it does not include the CS frame. Then looking at the back of the manual, it's the building instruction in colored. So as you can see, for the CS frame, it's color red, and for the SD frame, it's color blue. And then the weapons would be the same for both frames. And then that's the completion of the backpack and the weapons. So looking at the runner A1 is the SD frame. So it's white SD frame. So if you're gonna get the CS frame, so just make sure that you're gonna get the white CS frame. The next runner would be the B1. So B1 is in 3 colors. You have the white color, you have the yellow and red. So these are the armors for the SD Gundam. So you have the head here. This is the eyes. So you're gonna put the stickers in there. The V-fin. And some of the, I guess these are the feet or some parts of the torso. So here is the B2 runner. So for B2 runners, you also have 3 colors. So you have the white, the red, and the blue. So the blue is the one for the torso. The red is the one for the feet. And the white part is the one for the legs. So these are the legs. And the one for the feet, as well as the hips and the shield. Next is the C runner. You have this darker gray color. So this includes the manipulator and all the weapons, as well as some part of the hips, or torso rather. And then lastly, we have the letter D, which includes the white backpack and probably some of the joints for the SD frame. We have here the foil stickers. So you have the eyes in there. And then this is the camera visor at the head. And some color correction sticker here too. So that's your foil sticker. Next, we have the marking sticker. So you have options from 0 to 9. And then you have smaller numbers in there too. This is a transfer sticker. And I'm not used on using these stickers yet. So I'm pretty used on using the water slide. So let me know if you have any tricks on how to use these kinds of sticker. So let me know in the comment your best practices on how to use transfer sticker. So that's your transfer stickers. This is my first time building an SD Gundam. I'm actually influenced by my friends from the Pinoy Gunpla Youtuber group. Looking at the box, this is a pretty cute model kit. And I'm gonna build this with my kid, which I'm really excited because it's just gonna be a bonding time for us. Looking at the manual, it's a pretty straightforward build. And I guess if you want to go into Gunpla, the SD kits are the entry model kit that you could build. Again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you get updated every time I release a video.